Hello, I am Harvey. This video I am going to introduce you 150 kilowatt solar system for farm use in Caribbean Sea. Our engineers will go there for the installations and guidance. There are some machines in the farm such as rice hullers, corn mills, and the oil presses. This is 150 kilowatt inverter, 3-phase and 480 voltage output. In the Caribbean Sea, the normal voltage is 110 and 220. In the farm, most machines are using 3-phase, so this solar system is designed for 3-phase 480 voltage. This is the Wi-Fi module of the inverter, and this is the communication cable between the inverter and batteries. Built in the transformer and the IGBT module. For the machine in the farm, longer lifespan and stable working. This solar system equipped with 230 kWh lithium batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 clusters. One cluster 57.5 kWh. Made by 4 battery packs and 1 high voltage box. Each pack is 40.4 kWh and built in the cooling system. The high voltage box built in the BMS function can check the voltage and temperature of each pack. This is the battery cabinet. One cluster battery go in 1 breakers, so total 4 breakers, and there are 2 breakers for upgrade in the future. There are also 4 communication terminals for 4 clusters, 2 more terminals for the upgrade use. So in the future, the batteries can upgrade to 345 kWh. This is the distribution cabinet. The farm has 3 power sources: solar system, generator, and the city power. So we design this distribution cabinet to help the customer manage the 3 power sources. This solar system comes with 168 pieces solar panels. The batteries can fully charge in 2 hours. The farm owner will install the solar panel like this. This is bifacial solar panels. The front side and the back side can generate power 20% higher efficiency than the normal solar panels. So this solar system can generate 722 kWh power per day. If your farm also needs the solar system for the 24 hours power supply, contact Harvey.